Last month, you told me inflation should peak at 70% in September. Do you still hold to that view, or are we starting to see earlier signs of stabilisation?
Yeah, thank you very much for connecting me. Sorry for the delay. So when you compare to the last monetary policy cycle, when we made the decision last time, we raised 100 basis points. At that point, our inflation expectations and predictions were that it will, as you said quite rightly, we were expecting inflation to go above 70%. But now the latest round, yesterday decision was based on the revised inflation expectations, which has improved a lot compared to earlier. Now our inflation projection and prediction is that it will not be reaching 70%, and in fact, it will be reaching a peak somewhere in September, just above 60%. It will be still rising a little bit, but it will be trending down from September onwards towards the next year. So this is the reason why we decided to not to raise interest rates further, but we want to wait and see, because there's a much better expected inflation outcome as well as inflation expectations that this round is much better than what we seen inflation expectations last time.
Governor, so where then does this leave the policy path, and does this mark the high point for the main lending rate, or do you still have some work to do in terms of a tightening bias?
Now, in terms of the market interest rates, obviously, although we did not raise the policy rate, but we have seen as a result of large liquidity deficits and as a result of still fiscal deficits are running high and government is demanding more lending or more borrowing from the market, market interest rates have gone up significantly compared to the last cycle. This is why we thought we don't need to tighten further, and going forward, it's basically we want to monitor the situation. If we think inflation is not going to be rising further, I don't see a reason why we should be tightening further, but it's all depending on our monetary system and how we're going to see the inflation outlook and also foreign currency situation during this cycle or next cycle. Yes. That we'll be monitoring. Of course, I think so far I see this time we did not see the reason to raise further.